So welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on the FRS again because a lot of people, I guess, when they're switching their exhaust system and stuff, they get an annoying sound of rattle, of knocking, and it can scare the hell out of you because you're maybe thinking that your motor is knocking, but that's not it. That's the exhaust, the front pipe or the overpipe near the subframe hitting somewhere. For me, in this case, it did happen to me that the headers was hitting on this skid plate, this plate over here, so I had to smash it around here with a hammer to put it down so the headers doesn't knock on this. And I'm gonna show you, like you can see over here, that's where the headers was hitting on this plate, and now over here you see that now it's hitting. So what I'm doing, there's some loose in this, so I'm pushing towards the ground like this to make clearance, and I'm gonna tighten this bolt like this, and after that this over here, and it should not make the rattle anymore. So now let's see if the rattle is still on, which I believe not. Oh, a bit dirty. Yep, no more rattle sound. It was rattling pretty bad when you start the car, since the RPM are higher, but now it's fixed. This new duck bill, which I did a tutorial on how to do it, and it didn't end up like it's supposed to, so go watch this if you want to, just this if you want. So that's it for this one. Pretty easy fix, but I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people which it did happen before, or it's still happening in their FRS. So that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, guys. Gonna see you in another one.